Hey guys, today we have a Asus k56a, k56ca, k56ca, and the laptop came in by mail. The client wants us to replace the DC jack. The jack is right here. Alright. So what we do is we replace the jack for $100 total. That includes the labor, the parts, and the shipping back to you. So we want to first test and see if the jack is faulty by plugging the plugin. By the way, we don't really have any advertisements running at on the YouTube, so just leave a like if you like the video. We would appreciate it if you would leave a like. Alright, so alright, so the problem here is not the jack. The problem here is seems like the motherboard is shorting. But anyways, let me take it apart, see if I'm gonna find where the short is at, and maybe fix it, and maybe it's gonna work fine. Again, this is not a jack issue, and probably a waste of my time because it's a shortage someplace. But let's open it up. You will see how to open it up, and again, leave a like if it helps you in any way. Alright, let me reposition the camera so that you could see better. Here. Like that. Alright, so you have to unscrew every single screw there is. There are two long screws right here. Those are the long screws, like that. Everything else is the short screws. So you pull the cover down, and here you have to unscrew everything. Remove the hard drive, and that's all there is. Let me remove this cable, whatever that is. Alright. Remove the SD card if you have one. Now there is a little hidden screw right here probably. Let me remove the cover, gain access to it. So here is another screw which holds everything together. Remove the cd-rom, and seems to be it. Alright, so let's lift it up a little bit and see how we can open this thing up. By the way, there might be screws right here under the pads, which there is none. So there is no screws here. Don't open it up. So we got a jack here, and there is something in the back that's not right, doesn't look right. Let's see. Remove the cover. You know, it might be just the jack. So hold on. Let's see. You know what? Hold on. Hold your horses. Yeah, something not right with the jack. Let's see. So the jack is cracked right here in the back. Let me adjust the focus. So right here, you see the jack is cracked on top. This pin right here is moving around too much. So let's see if we can just take the pin out of here. Yeah. Alright. But it doesn't show us why there was a short. Strange enough. Well, let's see. Well, I think if we replace the jack, it should be working fine, because the jack is obviously faulty. It didn't seem like it from testing it while not being taken apart, but good thing we did take it apart. Alright, so, oh, here's something metal. So, let's see if the replacement gonna go. Yeah, that's the replacement one. So we want to turn on the exhaust. Alright. Alright, so that's how you replace the jack, like that. Now this jack has wings on the sides, and let's see how we're gonna be able to insert the new jack into the space. Removing the excess solder. Let's see. Seems to go in perfectly. Alright, so let's see how the cover goes back on this guy. Like that. Alright, so we need to shave the wing down a little bit. So like basically by cutting it like that. Alright. Alright, so we just basically cut the wings off. Alrighty. And it's a much better fit now. So we wanna connect the cable like that. Run the cable down like that and like that. Okay, so you see how the back rest right here is broken, kind of. So we need to fixate it, and we usually fixate it with the glue. So let's do it right now. Alright, and here we want to add a little bit more glue between the top side like that. Alright, so everything looks good. Now we want to assemble it back together. I want to put some tape on top of the repair. Okay. Alright. So make sure everything clamps into place just fine. Again, like the video, leave a like. If it's been of any help to you, connect this cable right here. Like that. Strange. Okay. Alrighty. Long. Another long screw right here. Another long screw right there. Okay. So put in the cd-rom in, like that. My guess it's a long screw. Wonderful. Now we want to put the cowl right here. There seems to be 2 long screws as well. Alright. Now we have screws right here. Shorter screws. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, seems to be. And now they put the patch that was hiding this screw right here back in place. Well, let's see if we have anything working right now. Alright, so we put in the plug, right? And we want to measure the resistance through it. The plus is fine, the minus is fine too. So let's take the plug out. Let's find the power supply that they used. Alright, so here is the power supply. And in the power supply you can notice the two metal springs are pushed towards the back right there. So they don't grab onto the pin as well as they used to back in the days when the laptop was new. So let's see if it's gonna be grabbing on right now. So it should be grabbing on now. Alright, so the battery is out. Again, leave a like if you like the video. Now let's see. We press the power button and we had something on the screen. Hold on. The power button shows that we got power. So yeah, right there, starting Windows. So we see without the battery everything works fine. Thank you for watching. If you want us to fix it for you, you can send it to us. It's gonna be 60 bucks. Not 60, 100 bucks if you send the whole laptop. And leave a like if this video was helpful to you. Thank you.